Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, it's the master architect of our lives. Could you cope with such a reality? In the not-so-distant future, our morning alarm is not a simple buzz, but an AI assistant that has analyzed our sleep patterns, ready to greet us with a personalized good morning. Artificial intelligence isn't just about turning off lights or playing our favorite music. It permeates every facet of our existence. It manages our household chores, reminds us to hydrate, even suggests the optimal time to take a break based on our productivity patterns. In this world, AI is the invisible hand guiding our lives, a tireless worker that never sleeps. It has become the backbone of our industries, powering factories with pinpoint precision and efficiency. It's in our hospitals, aiding in diagnoses, predicting health risks, and crafting personalized treatment plans. It's even in our schools, tailoring education to each student's unique learning style. But this AI-dominated world isn't all rosy. With every convenience comes a cost. Our reliance on AI has made privacy a luxury, a thing of the past. Every action, every decision, every heartbeat is data for AI to analyze and learn from. Our lives, digitized and stored in the cloud, are open books for these intelligent algorithms. And then there's the question of control. With AI making critical decisions, have we surrendered our autonomy? Are we comfortable with machines having a say in matters of life and death? What happens when the AI gets it wrong? Who is accountable? These are questions we must grapple with. Living in an AI-dominated world might sound like science fiction, but it's a future we must prepare for. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must ensure that the benefits of AI do not come at the cost of our humanity. The balance between convenience and control, between efficiency and ethics, is a delicate one. As we continue to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence, we must also strive to retain our personal freedoms and individual agency. After all, the future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we have a hand in shaping. Now, add another layer to this complex future: genetic engineering. What if we could rewrite our genes and create a new generation? Imagine a world where we can choose our abilities, our strengths, even our lifespan, all by altering the very fabric of our being, our genes. That's the tantalizing promise of genetic engineering. It's like having a biological software, and we've just found the code editor. At its core, genetic engineering is the direct manipulation of an organism's genes. It's the ability to add, remove, or modify genetic material, essentially reprogramming the biological software. This might sound like science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming a reality. In the medical field, this could be revolutionary. Imagine a future where genetic diseases are a thing of the past, where conditions like cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy could be cured before a child is even born. It's a future where our DNA isn't a life sentence, but a blueprint that we can improve upon. But beyond medicine, genetic engineering could enhance human capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. We could engineer humans to be faster, stronger, smarter, even more resilient to diseases or extreme environments. The potential is staggering, but with great power comes great responsibility. As we teeter on the brink of this new era, we must also grapple with the ethical implications. What does it mean to be human if we can choose our own genetic destiny? How do we decide what enhancements are acceptable and which are not? And who gets to make these decisions? Consider a hypothetical scenario where genetic engineering is commonplace. It could create a society divided between those who can afford genetic enhancements and those who can't. A world where your genes determine your opportunities. It's a brave new world, and one that poses as many questions as it does answers. Genetic engineering holds the power to shape our future, but it also poses profound ethical and moral questions. Let's delve into a day in the life of Jane, a citizen of this AI and genetic engineering-dominated future. Jane wakes up to the soft voice of her AI companion, a sophisticated system that not only manages her schedule but also her health. It reminds her to take her nutrient-rich breakfast, custom-made for her unique genetic makeup. As she heads to work, Jane's smart glasses, equipped with AI, scan the environment, alerting her about potential allergens, pollutants, and even the weather forecast. It's a blend of convenience and surveillance that Jane has grown accustomed to. At work, Jane, a genetic counselor, helps prospective parents navigate the complex world of gene editing. They have the power to eliminate genetic diseases from their lineage, but it also opens up a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas. Should they tweak their child's genes for enhanced intelligence or athleticism? Such questions are part of Jane's everyday conversations. In her free time, Jane visits her father, who suffers from Parkinson's disease. However, thanks to the brain implant he received, his tremors are under control. It's a stark reminder of the leaps and bounds medical technology has made, but also of the uneasy balance between human and machine. The AI and genetic engineering that permeate Jane's life have also transformed society. There are debates raging about the ethical implications of these technologies, the fear of creating a genetic underclass, and the possible loss of our fundamental human essence. But Jane is optimistic. She sees a future where these technologies are used responsibly, where they eradicate diseases, enhance our lives, and potentially bring about a new era of human evolution. She believes that, with thoughtful regulation and widespread education, this future is possible. Jane's life may seem extraordinary to us, but it could be the norm in the not-so-distant future. Understanding AI and genetic engineering isn't just for the tech-savvy. It's crucial for us all. It's like holding the keys to a new era, an era where we can rewrite our genetic code and create intelligent machines that can outthink us. These technologies are not just figments of a science fiction writer's imagination. They're here, and they're transforming our lives in ways we never thought possible. From brain implants serving as commonplace as pacemakers, to gene therapies that modify DNA to overcome genetic diseases, the possibilities are as exciting as they are terrifying. But it's not just about the technology. It's about what we choose to do with it. It's about understanding its potential, its risks, and the ethical considerations that come with it. These technologies hold the potential to revolutionize healthcare, to predict our risk of developing diseases, and to intervene before they take hold. They could enhance our cognitive abilities, extend our lifespans, and even alter our identities. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to ensure that these technologies are used for the benefit of all, not just a privileged few. In the face of these advancements, we're forced to grapple with profound questions. What does it mean to be human in an age of artificial intelligence and genetic engineering? How do we balance the promise of these technologies with the ethical dilemmas they present? And how do we navigate the potential risks and unintended consequences? As we delve deeper into this brave new world, public awareness and understanding become our compass. We all have a role to play in shaping the future of these technologies and ensuring they're used responsibly. We need to foster open dialogue, encourage critical thinking, and cultivate a sense of curiosity and wonder. As we stand on the brink of a future dominated by AI and genetic engineering, our challenge lies not just in harnessing these technologies, but in understanding and navigating their implications on our lives and society.
As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.